back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, hi babes, thanks for coming back. And if you are a new subscriber or this is your first time seeing any of my videos, welcome to the family. And I hope at the end of this video you decide to join us by hitting that subscribe button down below. Let me stop talking and really show y'all where we're staying. Like, this is my home for the next 48 hours. I got here last night, but we were tired, so we came in and we just went to sleep pretty much. But yeah, let's get into this room tour. Hey guys, so this is the entrance. This is when you come into the condo, and then obviously you have closet right here. Our jackets are in there, and then I think this is, yes, the good old washer and dryer. We probably won't use this, but it's always good to have. And then coming back this way, we have the kitchen, which is actually really nice. We went grocery shopping, and then we've been here since last night, so I had to wash up some dishes. But yeah, the kitchen is doing, it's nice. And then this is our little dining area. We have our little bar stools right here to see into the kitchen. That's nice. And then this is the living room. It's nice. It's really cozy. Our little fireplace gave us hell last night, but it's okay. We're gonna get it together today, and we're gonna figure it out. We're coming back for you. And then this way, you just have the bathroom, which is okay. It's nice too. Yeah, like the jacuzzi and everything. We still got some of our stuff out in here, and that's me. And then when you come out the bathroom, you just go into, that's the bedroom right here. And y'all, this view, waking up to this view was everything. Like, so nice. And then, yep, we get another fireplace. So this fireplace is actually an extension from the one in the living room. So if you light it in the living room, you can see it in here, which I think is pretty fire. And the best part about this whole thing, like the best part, we have a balcony. It is so cute out here. Let's see. Let's go. Of course. It is so beautiful out here. Like, so beautiful, y'all. We have a little grill. Yeah, we're not touching that, but it's cute. It's cute to have it. That was a little, a little quick tour of where we're staying. Today we're actually gonna go out. We have a helicopter ride and a spa day, so I'm really excited for that. I'll just take you guys on the rest of the day with us, so I'll see you later. So mad at me if she sees this video. She's gonna be so mad at me. She hates when I do things like this.
reservation for today?
Yes. So we actually booked it through Heli.
Oh, the Heli.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My last.
Do you have Wi-Fi here or no?
No,
Right?
we're not allowed any electronic devices.
Oh, okay. That's makes sense.
You guys are here to connect, so don't
Okay.
tolerate any electronic devices, and it's complete silence at all times while you're on the site.
Perfect.
Okay.
And also, just to mention to you, you won't be able to bring your camera on the site.
Okay.
And for the filming, like you're not allowed to film the site either or anything like that.
Okay.
Tremblant Express. You see that? You're going the right way.
Wait, up there? Flying mobile? So it's this way, no?
Yeah, that way. That's what I said.
Okay, go.
I think. Well, which way though?
Huh?
Which way though? Like down or up?
Which way is it going to?
Down. This is deep.
Wait.
Oh wait.
No?
I wonder if that's the lift pickup right there. But you gotta get it from the base of the mountain, he said. Let's just go right there to that green spot.
It's pointing this way.
But you see those lifts right there?
Yeah. Okay. I'm just trying to step where ice is not. Ah! Probably close. I don't know. There you go. This shit is taking off. What? Oh, it's taking off. My hair is like frizzling up.
This shit quick.
Up we go! Whoa! I was not expecting this view.
This shit crazy.
Hey y'all, so just got back from Montreal. That was very scary. It was bad. The weather was really bad today, so on top of the mountain I really couldn't film much because I couldn't see anything. Like, I wish I can show, let me see if I could show y'all a picture like of how bad it was. Like, you couldn't see anything. Like, none of my pictures was coming out. You can't even see anything around me. Like, let me see. If I tap on that, yeah, like it was foggy. Like, it was really bad. It was raining, hailing. It was bad. Like, it was so bad. So I couldn't really vlog much, but I try to get as much videos as I can. And yeah, the weather was bad, but now we're back and we're gonna try to find something to do. Since it's our last night, we'll probably I don't know, we'll probably go to oh no, I'm lying. So we did book an escape room activity to do, so that is at 8 o'clock. So we're just gonna relax and then head out to do that soon. But that's it. Today was fun. We couldn't do anything. It was not enough snow. We couldn't snowmobile. We couldn't really ski like that because the weather was bad. We couldn't do tubing. It wasn't enough snow. So we tried to make the best out of it. But it was still a good time. It was still really a good time. I had fun. So I'm excited for the escape room tonight. It'll give us one more thing to do, and then maybe afterwards we'll come back and hop in the jacuzzi because we haven't visited that yet. So I'll see what we do, and then I will definitely take you guys on the tour. I'm a little tired, so I'm about to take Whew. I'm about to take a quick nap and then get ready for later. So see you guys when I wake up and go to the escape room.